Captain! Huh! I am Sergeant Major Ogden. Today, how to get everything out of the Recon Kit for Battlefield 3. Come with me as I show you how to unlock everything that is Recon.
In Battlefield 3, EA introduced the purchasable unlocks for consoles. From the game menu, select Store. From there, select the Recon Kit shortcut, and for 560 Microsoft points, you can instantly make all Recon unlocks available.
You want to be part of the Recon crew, boy? I don't believe you have the gumption. I see you here laying around like you're a lazy Nancy boy named Nancy. If you want to join the Recon crew, I want to see you hustle. I want to see your eyes bleed. I want to see you die on your feet. That is how you become part of the Recon crew. Hooah!